This is gonna be so bad. I already freaking know.
Yeah, I posted that video like a year ago about my long hair constantly getting stuck in the drain causing water flow issues. And you know it's bad when Drain Buddy reaches out to you, like the actual Shark Tank company, and is like, could we possibly send you one to help get you sorted out? And a regretful amount of you actually saw how much I was struggling to even get that thing out. It took me 7 years. So let me show you how easy this is going to be to switch it out, because I've watched a couple of videos now and I can't tell if I'm overconfident or if it's actually just that easy. But it's supposed to catch all your hair. And then you can just like take it out and wipe it off of here and not have to use one of those gadgets. First of all, I've got to take this guy off of there. This thing's been a colossal pain in my... Here she is. Hopefully I got the right one. They had all kinds of them on their shop. And supposedly you can just like put it down in here and screw it in. Okay, cool. Yeah, super easy. You literally, when you want to drain your tub, you just pull it up, and when you want to seal it, you just do that. Up, down. No more screwing around, quite literally. Now, I want to know two things here. One, is this actually going to be a good replacement for my drain stopper? Because if this can't hold water, it's going to be useless to me, right? And second of all, is it actually going to catch the hairs? Because your girl has hairs that are like 3 feet long, not exaggerating. So let's check it out. Okay, yeah, it's holding water. And then it's supposed to be easy just to let the water out, lift it up, and yeah, sure enough, water's just going. And lastly, I have a truly diabolical plan of putting my hair in there, and let's see if I actually compromise my drain. Or does Drain Buddy catch it? Bye-bye. Oh, God. Here we go. Let's just get that all up in there. Oh no! Okay, let's see. It looks like it caught every bit of that. I didn't count each hair individually, but oh my God. This is going to be wrecked within like a month for me. Nice. Just took it out of the thing, screwed it back in, good as new.